The Shahnameh, the Persian Epic of Kings, describes the story of the evil King Zahhak and how the devil Iblis, disguised as a cook, seduces the king with exquisite delicacies. The last of these dishes is a kebab of veal fillet, which is luxuriously marinated with rosewater, saffron, aged wine, and musk. The devil thus tricks the king into being transformed into a monstrous tyrant with two man-eating serpents growing from his shoulders until he is overthrown by Kaveh, the blacksmith, and Prince Fereydun. Musk, from Persian meshk, originally is a substance from the gland of the musk deer. It was used in perfumes and, in ancient Persia, also as a food ingredient. As the musk deer nowadays is a protected species, musk for the perfume industry is usually synthetic or plant-based. The most available plant substitute is nutmeg, so I'm going to use this. After all, we don't want to be seduced by the devil, do we?
It really melts in mouth. Very delicious.